What if I told you your credit card is a trap and your debit card? It's not as safe as you think. Today, we reveal the shocking truth that banks will never tell you. Stay till the end, because what you're about to learn could save you thousands. Ever wondered why banks keep offering you credit cards with exclusive benefits and reward points? It's because they make billions when you carry a balance. They don't want you to pay in full. They want you to pay the minimum amount so they can trap you in an endless cycle of interest payments. Let's say you owe just $1,000 on your credit card. If you only pay the minimum, do you know how long it'll take to clear the debt? More than 10 years. And that's how they keep you hooked. Think your debit card is safer than a credit card? Think again. Most people believe using a debit card protects their money, but in reality, it puts you at even greater risk. Here's the dark truth. If a hacker steals your debit card info, your actual bank balance is at risk. Unlike credit cards, debit cards don't always have zero liability protection. And if a fraudster drains your account, it can take weeks, even months, to recover your money. Meanwhile, credit cards offer stronger fraud protection, easier refunds, and better security. Still think debit cards are safer? Credit card companies don't want you to be debt-free. They want you to keep swiping. Ever noticed how they offer cashback, rewards, and VIP benefits? It's a trick to make you spend more. Why? Because the more you swipe, the more they charge businesses in transaction fees. And if you miss a payment, they hit you with late fees, high interest rates, and penalties that make them billions every year. The truth is, banks don't just want you as a customer, they want you as a lifetime debtor. So how can you beat the banks at their own game? Here's what the smartest people do. Use credit cards for rewards, but always pay in full. Never use debit for online shopping. Always use credit. Negotiate your interest rate, banks lower them if you ask. Freeze your card. Instead of canceling it, boost your credit score. The key is simple: use credit card as a tool, not a trap. So the question is, will you be a victim or outsmart the system? If you found this eye-opening, hit the like button and subscribe for more shocking money secrets.